Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami dragon. It has some really interesting details and it's not too difficult to make. I thought this model a few years ago, but I developed a new method, more concise, more simplified, which makes everything even easier. To make a dragon like this, you'll need a square piece of paper, which can be any size you want. In this video I'll use 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches, and regular printer paper. Keeping the main color facing up, our first step is to fold it in half, both vertically and horizontally. To fold it vertically, just bring the right side to the left, press firmly, and unfold. Now, to fold it horizontally, let's bring the bottom side up and unfold it as well. Flip the paper over and fold it in half along both diagonals, creating something like an X. Bring one corner to the other like this, aligning everything well. Press the corners and then the middle line. Unfold. Now fold along the opposite diagonal. Unfold and turn it over again. At this point, just push the four sides towards the center and close the paper, leaving two flaps on each side, creating a triangle. Now, starting on the right side, we are going to separate the first layer and bring the diagonal edge to the middle. Unfold that, lift up this layer, open the paper from below, and using the lines we just made, we are going to lower the paper, making the same layer flat. Now the same thing on the other side. As before, fold the right layer, then open the paper here and bring the middle line down, flattening this part too. Now for the next step, let's create a guide mark. On the bottom part, we need to bring the corner up, aligning with these two sides, but make just a small mark in the middle. Now bring the corner to this reference and make another small mark. With this guide line, bring the top corner to the second line we made, more or less like this. Once done, we can open the paper like this In the middle we have this division, this line. Starting on the right side, we need to create a new diagonal connecting this corner here to the end of the middle line. And then we just need to repeat on the bottom side. So, carefully, let's bring the paper down, connecting these 2 points. Repeat on the bottom side. And with these 2 lines ready, let's fold both at the same time, closing the paper. Now let's fold this remaining part up or down, it doesn't matter for now. Finishing this on the right side, let's do the same on the left. So let's fold the diagonal on the top side. Then the diagonal on the bottom side. Close and fold. Okay, finishing this step, let's go back to the other side and fold the paper in half. For the next step, a little attention. We can temporarily lower these 2 flaps. Now open this layer here and bring the diagonal edge to the side. Here, where we have this remaining paper, let's do the same. Bring the diagonal to the edge. And to finish, just close the paper, trying to align everything as well as possible. And we have this result here. Let's go to the other side and repeat the same step on the other half. Let's rotate and go to the other side. Open this layer, fold as before. And then repeat on the other side. This is the result. Now the next steps will be much easier. To make the dragon's legs, let's start by bringing this first smaller layer to the side, aligning it with the base. Then, in the same layer, bring the diagonal edge to the vertical. And we have the beginning of the front leg. Bring the middle part to the side, fold this other layer to the left, just to make a mark, then bring it back to the right. Repeat the same step as before, diagonal to the vertical, let's go to the other side. Again, start by bringing this layer to the side and bring the diagonal to the vertical. Let's make the next leg. We'll first fold, creating a mark, then we unfold and fold the diagonal. Okay, with the paper in this position, the larger side will be the dragon's back and tail. So first we need to bring the wings over this part. And to create the neck, we'll open the right side a bit and bring the middle of this flap up. Then we'll close the tip, bringing both sides forward. And then we're going to close this part. We have the dragon's neck. For a better result, we'll open this side. Then, as we did before, we'll fold a bit of the paper inside by bringing one edge to the other. I'm going to close it here for now. As you can see, there's a little difference in the back. That's okay, it adds a nice detail. Let's go to the other side to make the other half. Try to make it as symmetrical as you can. Now, to make the head, we're going to, again, open this flap and reverse the tip. Then we'll reverse again, creating a horn. This is the head. Now on the legs, for a better result, we're going to reverse this white corner here. Then we will also reverse a bit of the corner in the back leg. On the other side we'll do the same thing. And this is the result. Now, as an optional detail, you can also slightly bend the legs forward. This makes it a little bit more realistic and adds more detail. Our origami dragon is ready! Although I used a regular paper, the result is very good. If you want to make one using a paper that has only one color, it will look like this. If you use two colors, the dragon's belly will be different. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.